Alright, what's up everybody? We're back with another video, and in today's video we will be reviewing some shoe trees. As you can see, I have them in hand right here. These shoe trees are from IKEA. They are called OMSORG and they retail at $1.99. If you would like to see more videos like this, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get started with the video. Alright, so I picked these up because I needed some shoe trees like a lot of other people. And I went to Amazon first and they had some shoe trees, but they did seem overpriced. So I went ahead and looked at some alternatives and I managed to find these. And as I mentioned earlier, they do retail at $1.99. And I would say this is the best bang you could get for your buck. As you can see here, I do have a couple pairs of these and I will show you what they look like on shoes as well. So the first shoe we have up right here is the Chicago Dunk Low. This one has a shoe tree inserted, and as you can see, the toe box is in very good condition and it looks great, and it helps to keep the shape of the shoe. So that's one with the shoe tree, and then here's one without the shoe tree. As you can see, the tongue doesn't sit up. There's a lot more creasing right here in the toe box area. The shape looks a little off too compared to this one. This one, the shape looks really good compared to this one. And just for photo purposes, you can see right there, the bottom one with the shoe tree looks a lot better. So if you are going to be taking a lot of pictures of sneakers, I would definitely recommend getting some shoe trees just to make the shoe look a lot better. So this is one example with the Chicago Dunk Low. The second example I have, oh, you can see it right here too. So this one has a shoe tree, this one doesn't. The shape on this one looks way better. Alright, so the second example I have is actually with a pair of shadows. So this one does have the shoe tree, while this one over here has no shoe tree. It's kind of harder to tell on these, but here are some close-ups. Same thing, the tongue doesn't really sit up on the pair without the shoe tree in it, and then the toe box gets all messed up as well. So you can see it kind of standing up right there. When you get a bird's eye view, you can see the shoe tree helps keep the shape of the shoe. So overall, I would definitely recommend these shoe trees. I know that there was a lot of complaints that this part right here breaks too easily, especially when you're inserting it inside a shoe. That was a complaint that I saw in many of the IKEA reviews. However, as I did mention, it does retail at $1.99 for the pair. So even if it does break, you could just go get a new one for under $2. And IKEA does have a great exchange/return policy. So if it does break within the year, you could go back and get a new one. And yeah, they'll replace it. But honestly, if these last you the year, you already got your $2 worth. So I would definitely recommend these. I do have a couple of them, as I mentioned earlier. I believe these fit anywhere between a size 8 to a size 12. And yeah, overall pretty solid quality. They do come in two colorways as well. They come in this gray transparent color and then more of a clear transparent color. So I would definitely recommend these, since these could get a little bit more dirty and you won't notice, unlike with the more clearer ones. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. If you would like to see more videos like this, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. I'm out. Peace.